Hello, just a quick update on progress in the workshop, or lack of it, should I say. There's basically been nothing done for the last month in here. The boiler is still awaiting soldering. The 9F brake gear hasn't moved on any at all. The chassis hasn't progressed any. And the main reason for this is that life has got in the way like it does, and my spare time has been taken up with a property that needs some renovation. So a lot of my time, or basically all of my spare time, is concentrating on that at the minute. So the workshop stuff has taken very much a back burner at the minute. This new project I didn't expect to happen for another 5 years or so, but an opportunity has arisen, and it would be foolish not to take it at this time. So certainly for the summer, or the rest of the summer, it's going to be difficult to spend any time in the workshop. However, when it starts getting a bit colder, and it's not appropriate to be working on property, I may get some time in here. But I think it's only fair to give you all an update on where things are, and we will resume normal service as soon as possible. Thanks for your time.